We will discuss now some important problems. First question based on gravitation. Question: what is the value of G at a position above Earth's surface equal to its radius? First of all, we will discuss relation between small g and capital G. Here, suppose whenever we are taking two bodies, attractive force between two masses F is directly proportional to product of two masses, inversely proportional to square of the distance between these two masses. After removing this proportional symbol, one constant it will come. This is universal gravitational constant. Here, suppose one body is there on Earth's surface at that time. Due to gravity, the weight of the body is mg. This is force is equals to g into m into m. This is earth mass, body mass. This is radius of the mass earth. Now small m get cancelled. G is equals to small g. Acceleration due to gravity is equals to g into m by r square. Based on this, we will solve this. Here actually acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface, g is gm by r square. This g value is 9.8 meter per second square. But what they are asking here, g value above the earth surface, that distance is r at the point of B. Now total distance in between two masses 2r. Now g value on B at the distance 2r. This 2r substitute in place of r. G value at the point of B is gm by 2r square, 2r whole square. This is 4r. Remaining gm by r square from g naught, this value is 9.8. Now 9.8 by 4 means 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. This is the g value at the from the earth surface distance of above the distance of earth radius. Next question, it is belongs to rotatory motion. Question: if an object is spinning at 150 rotation per revolutions per minute and comes to a stop in 2 seconds, what is its average acceleration in radians per second square? Here one revolution, how many degrees? 360 degrees. We are writing in 360 degrees 2 pi radians. Here 180 degrees is equals to pi radians. 360 means 2 pi radians. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Whenever they will give rotations per minute, how to will write rotations means 2 pi radians per minute means by 60 seconds. Like that we will convert rotation per minute in terms of radians per second. This is the initial angular velocity. Initial angular velocity is equals to 150. Instead of rotations per minute 2 pi by 60, 0 0 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 5s. This is initial angular velocity is equals to 5 pi radians per second. Now here it is stopping in 2 seconds. Stop means we have to consider final angular velocity is equals to 0 in time 2 seconds. Now based on equations of motion, suppose in linear v is equals to u plus at. This formula how to will write in rotatory motion? In terms of v means omega final, in terms of u means omega initial. Next acceleration is angular acceleration. This one Like that we will write omega final is equals to omega initial plus alpha into t. Now omega final is 0. Next this omega initial is pi 5 into pi plus alpha into in time instead of time 2 seconds. Now alpha angular acceleration 5 pi should send that side minus pi by 2. Now angular acceleration is equals to minus 5 pi by 2 radians per second square. This is in rotatory mode. This question belongs to work, energy and power. They are given graph. In that y-axis they took force and x-axis displacement. Force 0 to 4 is there, displacement 0 to 10 is there. Now question, a variable force act on a 2 kilogram mass. According to the graph below, how much work was done while displacing the mass 10 meters? Here whenever they will give graph, under the area of graph, under the area of gives a product of force and displacement. That means here work is equals to force into displacement, force into displacement. This is equals to, this gives under the area of displacement and force graph. Now here this is the uneven A, B, C, D, E, they are given in graph. Our convenience purpose we are drawing one parallel line to the x-axis, and here G and C, one parallel line we are drawing. Now we are dividing two rectangles A1 and A2. We will find out using area of the rectangle A1, A2, we will find out. Total area A1 plus A2 gives work. Next A1. A1 means here to here breadth 2 Newton, AB length 6 meters, L1 is 6 meters, B1 is 2 Newton. First area of this rectangle L1 into B1, area of rectangle is length into breadth, 6 into 2 it gives 12 Newton meter. Next second rectangle total O, G, D, E. Here breadth is 2 Newton. Next length is total 10 meters. Now area 2. Area 2 is L2 into B2. That means 10 into 2 it gives 20 Newton meter. Now total work under the area of graph. Every graph under the area it gives product of y-axis component and x-axis component. It gives area. Next work is equals to A1 plus A2. This is the 12 plus 20, 32 joules. 32 joules, this is the work done while displacing the mass 10 meters. Next problem. A 50 kg person is sitting on a seesaw 1.2 meter from the balance point. On the other side of a 70 kg person is balanced. How far from the balance point is the second person sitting? Here the two persons weight mass is first person 50 kg, second person 70 kg. They are sitting in equilibrium position at that time. First distance is 1.2, second distance how much we have to find out. Whenever these both persons are equilibrium position at that time, two sides torque is equal. Torque on left side is equals to torque on right side. Torque is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Here G value, weight of the body only force, g value same both sides, that's why mass m1 into first distance 1.2 is equals to m2 into second distance x, we don't know, we have to find out this. 50 into 1.2 divided by this, should do it cross multiply by 70 is equals to x. 0 0 get cancelled. 15 12 5 are 60 means 6 by 7. 6 by 7 gives 0.857. Here given values, m1 is 50 kg, m2 is 70 kg. First distance r1 is 1.2 meters, second distance r2 is x meters. This is the second distance. Whenever these two persons are balancing, second distance is 0.857 meters. Next problem belongs to contact force. A 10 Newton force is applied to two masses 4 kg and 1 kg respectively that are in contact as shown in below. The horizontal motion is along a frictionless plane. What is the magnitude of the contact force between two masses? Contact force we have to find out. Here applied force 10 Newton. First mass m1, second mass m2. Acceleration working in this direction. We want to find out total acceleration. That purpose applied force is equals to total mass m1 plus m2 into acceleration. Acceleration is equals to applied force by total mass. Here next contact force. How to will find out contact force? In between contact force two masses only. Contact force means last mass into acceleration. We will take contact force formula m2 into acceleration. Acceleration using this formula we have to find out. Total applied force is 10, total mass is 5. 5 ones are 5 twos. Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Next contact force between two masses is here m2 last one. Suppose m3 is there, m2 plus m3 we will take. Yes, only m2 only is there, that's why 1 into acceleration is 2. Now this contact force is 2 newtons. Next problem, it is belongs to oscillations. A pendulum of a given length swings back and forth a certain number of times per second. If the pendulum now swings back and forth the same number of times but in twice the time, the length of the pendulum should be. What is the length in second time period whenever we are taking twice comparing to the first one? What is the length? We have to find out. Options doubled, quartered, quadrupled, halved. First of all, we have to know this. Doubled means 2, quartered means 1 by 4, quadrupled means 4th, 4 times, half means 1 by 2. Now here first time period t1 is t, second time period t2 is 2t. What is the time period of pendulum? T is equals to 2 pi into square root of L by G. That means time period is directly proportional to square root of L. Both sides should do it square. T square is equals to L. Both are directly proportional. This equation like this we will write. T1 square by T2 square is equals to L1 by L2. Why? Because this relation only we are doing squaring, like that we are writing. Now T1 square is T square. T2 square means instead of T2 2T we are substituting, this is 4T square. Now L1 by L2. T square get cancelled. L1 by L2 should do it cross multiply. L1 L2, this 4 it will come this side. That means L2 is equals to 4 into L1. Here length of the pendulum is quadrupled. Quadrupled means fourth option. Yes, whenever we are taking this pendulum time period twice at that time, that pendulum length is 4 times more comparing to the first length. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.